2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.